Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you the King Kone Filling Machine. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the machine, what comes with the King Kone, how you use it, and how to create high quality pre-rolls with this machine. So let's get into it. The King Kone is a cone filling machine for those wanting to step up their pre-roll production but aren't quite ready for a higher capacity machine like the Cone Packer or Sluice Box. The King Kone is great because it has a modular design which allows any of the parts to be easily replaced if worn out. Another great benefit is that out of the box, the King Kone is compatible with 109, 98, and 84mm cones. And because of the King Kone's modular design, we can design custom trays for many different sized cones and tubes. So now let me show you what comes with the King Kone. The King Kone comes with a vibrating base which has a control panel on the side, 2 overflow containers which catch any excess material which doesn't make it into the cones, a cover shield to secure the overflow containers in place, an 84/98mm tray, and an additional extension tray to do 109mm cones. Finally, the machine also comes with a lid to prevent any spillover. So let me show you how it all works. Your King Kone will arrive fully assembled, but I will give you a quick rundown of how to put it together. First, you will place both collection trays on top of the vibrating base. These will click into place thanks to the magnets on the bottom of the tray. Then you place the cover shield into place, covering the exposed parts of the base. An important thing to note is that there are 2 switches along the bottom of the vibrating base, and you want to line these ridges up with the grooves on the switch so the cover sits flush with the vibrating base. Once you have the cover shield securely in place, you should lock it into place by closing the switches on both sides. Next, you place the base tray on top. Today we're running 84mm cones, so we don't need to add the additional tray. We only need to add the additional tray if we want to run 109mm cones. The tray we have on right now works with 84 and 98mm cones. If you want to do other sizes of cones, a custom tray can be made for whatever size cone or tube you want to use. The first step is to load the cones into each individual slot. There are 169 slots on this machine. And once all the cones are loaded into the machine, you want to spread the material across the top into each cone. And as with other pre-roll machines without a metering tray, you will want to pre-weigh the material. Since we are doing half-gram pre-rolls, you will want to pre-weigh around 100 grams of material. As you spread the material across the top, you will want to do it as evenly as possible. Use about half the material and run the vibration to ensure each cone is well packed. Once each cone is about half packed, spread the rest of the material and run the vibration again. This time you may want to place the lid on top to ensure that the material doesn't overflow. Once the cones are fully packed, the next step is to pull the cone cartridge off the machine and place it on a flat surface. Once placed on a table, the cones will pop out and can be easily grabbed to be finished off with a tamp and then either a twist or a folded top. As you can see, the King Kone pre-roll machine is definitely a great way to increase production while still producing high quality pre-rolls. One of the advantages of the King Kone is that it actually bounces the cones up and down rather than just relying on vibration. This helps create a good pack throughout the pre-roll. So that's how you use the King Kone to make high quality pre-rolls. If you have any questions at all or are interested in any other pre-roll machines, packaging, or cones, please visit our website www.customconesusa.com. Thanks for watching.